بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Alhamdulillah والصلاة والسلام على رسول الله. My dear student, greeting to you all. Today, inshallah, we will carry on with our English language lessons for the third year. My name is teacher Inas Al-Hadithi. So have your books ready because today we will have some enrichment activities for our amazing unit time. So what do we mean by enrichment activities? We'll be taking extra activities to check our understanding for our unit time. So as you can see in this picture, I have a hand holding a very valuable timer. This is our unit. Our unit is called time. It is time. So let's start. Bismillah. Let's start by having this. As you can see here, I have a sand clock where you can see time is passing. So time is very important. I have an advice for you here. Use your time wisely. Use your time wisely. Now, how can we tell the time? How can we start and tell the time? By having these time or these numbers on the clock. Sometimes we have an actual clock, sometimes we have a digital clock. This is a clock. As you can see, I have numbers starting from number 1 till number 12. So let's go ahead and revise saying the numbers one more time. Starting from number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So these numbers are very important if we need to tell the time. Now, sometimes, as I mentioned earlier, we might have a clock and sometimes we might have a digital clock. For example, let me try to have some hands on the clock here. So if I ask you, my dear student, what time is it? You will go directly and say it is 2 o'clock. Okay, that's for the actual clock. For the digital one, you will find this number. So both two numbers are, or 2 times are correct. So what time is it? It is 2 o'clock. It is 2 o'clock. Very good. Now, in order to know the time, we will be asking this question. What time is it? What time is it? Or what's the time, please? What time is it? Or what's the time, please? So let's read. Please repeat after me. What time is it? What time is it? One more time. What time is it? One last time. What time is it? Very good, my dear student. Now, I need you to look at this time and tell me what time is shown on this clock. What time is it, my dear student? Is it 1 o'clock? Is it 2 o'clock? Actually, it is 10 o'clock. Very good. It is exactly 10 o'clock. Very good. So, again, what time is shown on this clock? It is 10 o'clock. 10 o'clock exactly. Okay? Because we'll be adding minutes later on. Now, let's try to choose. As you can see on your screen, I have 2 clocks here with different times. Now I have 4 options for you. For the one to your left, what time is it, my dear student? 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock, or 10 o'clock? What do you think? What do you think? What time is it? It is 8 o'clock. Very good. It is exactly 8 o'clock. Excellent, excellent. Now how about the next one? What time is it, my dear student? Let me read the options for you. Is it 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock, or 10 o'clock? What do you think? What time is it? It is exactly, very good. It is 10 o'clock. It is 10 o'clock. Very good. So again, the one to your left, it is 8 o'clock. The one to your right is 10 o'clock. Excellent. Now, how about this one? Now, let's do it differently. We will write the number. Okay, so I have a digital time here. Write the correct time. I have 2 clocks. The one to your left, my dear student, what time is it? Or what's the time, please? Now, I have a short hand and a long one on the clock. The short one refers to the hour. The long one refers to the minutes. So it is 9 o'clock. Very good, my dear student. It is 9 o'clock. Very good. How about the next one? What time is it? What time is it? It is, very good, 7 o'clock. Very good. It is 7 o'clock. Excellent, excellent. Now, how about this? Same, write the correct time. I have three clocks here. We need to write the digital number. The first one, what time is it? Or what's the time, please? Okay, is it 9 o'clock? 10 o'clock? 11 o'clock? Very good. It is 10 o'clock. Very good. It is 10 o'clock. How about the one in the middle? What time is it? Is it 7 o'clock? 6 o'clock? It is 9 o'clock. Very good. It is 9 o'clock. Excellent, my dear student. And for the last one, what time is it? It is 11 o'clock. Very good. It is 11 o'clock. Excellent. So let's read the time one more time. 10 o'clock, 9 o'clock, 11 o'clock. Very good, my dear student. Now, write the correct time. Same one. I gave you the first one as an example. So this is an example. It is 2 o'clock. Okay? Now, remember, the shorthand on the clock refers to the hour. The long one refers to the minute. Okay? So the second one, what time is it? What time is it? It is 5 o'clock. Very good. It is 5 o'clock. Very good. So the second one in the upper, the middle, it is 5 o'clock. Okay? Next one, what time is it? It is 9 o'clock. Very good. It is 9 o'clock. Excellent. 9 o'clock. Next, what time is it? 11 o'clock. Very good. 11 o'clock. Next, what time is it? 3 o'clock. Very good. And for the last one, what time is it? It is 6 o'clock. Very good. 6 o'clock. So let's read the times one more time. 2 o'clock, 5 o'clock, 9 o'clock, 11 o'clock, 3 o'clock, and 6 o'clock. Very good, my dear student. Now, draw the hands of the clock. Here I gave you I gave you the time, but not the hand, the short one. For the first one, I have the one that refers to the minutes in the correct place. Now we need to draw the one that refers to the hours. It's 7 o'clock, so we will draw it just like this. Very good. 7 o'clock. Next one, it's 11 o'clock. Exactly 11 o'clock. So we will draw it just like this. Very good, my dear student. Same here. Draw the clock hands. 3 o'clock. Very good. We will draw the short one. Here, you have the same exercise in your book. And we have 5 o'clock. Very good. Excellent. Now, let's match. As you can see, I have the clocks to your left and I have the times to your right. Starting from the first one, let's go ahead and read the times to your right. I have 8 o'clock, 2, 1, 5, and 3 o'clock. Let's start by matching the first one. 2 o'clock. Very good. I have 2 o'clock. Next, I have, what time is it? It is 8 o'clock. Excellent. I have 8 o'clock. Next, I have 5 o'clock. Excellent. Next one. Now I have 1 or 3. Very good. It's 3 o'clock. And the last one is 1 o'clock. Very good, my dear student. Excellent. Now, the one we have before is exactly 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 11 o'clock, right? But now I added 30 minutes. Okay? So what time is it? Can I say it is exactly 11 o'clock? No. It is 11:30. It is 11:30. Very good. So if I ask you one more time, my dear student, what time is it? It is 11:30. Very good. 11:30. Okay. We can say like this one, 1:30, or we might say 1:30. So let's read one more time. What time is it, my dear student? It is 1:30 or 1:30. One more time. 1:30 or 1:30. 1:30. Very good, my dear student. Excellent. Now, Let me explain it a little bit here on this clock. As you can see, if we start, for example, let's say that it is 3 o'clock. So it's 3 o'clock, exactly 3 o'clock. So what time is it? It is 3 o'clock. Now, let's add 5 minutes, okay? So starting from 12 till 1 o'clock, that's 5 minutes. So 5 past 3. Let's add 5 minutes more. 10 past 3. Very good. Let's add 15 minutes, or we can say 3:15 or quarter past. Very good. Quarter past 3. Let's add 5 more. 20 past 3. Very good. Let's add 5 more minutes. 25 past 3. Very good. Now, I have 30 minutes. So remember, we might say 3:30 or half past 3. Okay. Now we will use another word. We will not be using past. We will be using to. 25 to. Now, is it to 3? The answer is no. Since we are moving to the next hour, 25 to 4. Very good. 25 to 4. Let's add 5 more minutes. 20 to, again, 4. Very good. Quarter to 4. Excellent. 10 to 4. 5 to 4. And now it is 4 o'clock. And on and on and on. Very good, my dear student. Now, draw the hands of the clock. Here I give you blank clocks, okay? Not the minutes, nor the hands of the hours. I have 8:30, 3:30, and 7:30. Okay, let's start with the first one. Okay, that refers to the minutes, 30 minutes, 8:30. Very good. Remember, the hand that refers to the hour should be between 8 and 9. Okay, so it is 8:30. Next, 3:30. Very good. Minute. And this one. Very good. Excellent. Next, I have 7:30 and this one. Very good, my dear student. Excellent. Now, write the time. For this one, I'll be giving you maybe 30 seconds. I need you to go ahead and have your notebook ready right next to you, and I need you to go ahead and write the time, okay? I give you the clock, but I need you to write the time. You have 30 minutes starting now. So, I guess you figure out the answers. Number 1, what time is it, my dear student? It is 5:30. Very good. Now, we might say 5:30 or half past 5. Very good. 5:30 or half past 5. Very good, my dear student. How about the one in the middle? What time is it? It is, very good, exactly 4 o'clock. Very good. Excellent. 4 o'clock. How about the last one, number 3? What time is it? It is 6:30. Very good. So we might say 6:30 or half past 6. Half past 6. Very good. So now, if I ask you, my dear student, about this one, what time is it? As you can see, I have a different time here. It's not 7 o'clock. It's not half past 7. It's in between. If we count from 12 till 1, we have 5 minutes, and then we have 5 more, and then we have 5 more. So it is quarter past 7 or it is 7:15. So quarter past 7 or 7:15. As you can see here, I have quarter past 1 or 1:15. Quarter past 2, 2:15, quarter past 3, 3:15, quarter past 4, 4:15, quarter past 5, 5:15. So we add 15 minutes to the clock. So what time is it, my dear student? How about this one? It's not exactly 1 o'clock. It is quarter past 1, quarter past 1, or 1:15. Again, so quarter past 1 or 1:15. Excellent, excellent. Now, let's take a look at this clock. I have 3 options for you. What time is it, my dear student? Is it quarter past 11? Is it quarter to 10? Or quarter past 10? So which one do you think? You are absolutely right. The answer is quarter past 10. Quarter past 10. Excellent, excellent. Now, how about this one? If I ask you what time is it, my dear student? Again, it's not exactly 1 o'clock. It is not exactly 2 o'clock. It is quarter to 2. Very good. It is quarter to 2, or it is 1:45. So we might have 2 different answers here. It is quarter to 2, or it is 1:45. 1:45. Excellent, excellent. Now, if we take a look at this clock, as you can see, I have 15 minutes. I just go ahead and add 15 minutes. So we might say it's 11:15 or quarter past 11, 11:30 or half past 11, 11:45, or, now be careful, we don't say quarter to 11, we say quarter to 12. Quarter to 12. Very good. As you can see in this one, the one in the middle, to your left, I will use past, 5 past, 10 past, quarter past, half past. And then we will be using 2, 22, quarter to, 10 to, and so on. Very good. Excellent, my dear student. Now, here I have 1 o'clock, starting from 1 o'clock. Okay, so let's read. It is on your upper left corner. It is 1 o'clock, exactly 1 o'clock, right? So let's add 15 minutes now. So it is 1 o'clock, or it is quarter past 1, or 1:15. Very good. Let's add 15 minutes now. It's half past 1, or 1:30. Very good. Add 15 minutes more. It's quarter to 2. Very good, my dear student. It's 1 o'clock. It's quarter past 1. It's half past 1. It is quarter to 2. Very good, very good. Now, you have the same one in your book. I highly encourage you to go to your book and read this one. It will help you a lot when to use past and when do we use to. No? Now let's read the time here. I have the time for you. It's 10 o'clock. Exactly 10 o'clock. 2:45. So we might say 2:45 or quarter to 3. Very good. Quarter to 3. Next one I have 10:15 or quarter past 10. Below I have 8:15 or quarter past 8. Next I have 2:15 or quarter past 2. Last one I have 12:30 or half past 12. Very good. Excellent, my dear student. Now let's write the time. Here I give you the clock, the hands of the clocks, but no time. The first one is an example. It's 3:45. Next one, it is, what do you think? What time is it? It is 4:45. Very good. It is 4:45 or quarter to 5. Excellent. Next one, it is 9:15. Very good. Or quarter past 9. Next, it is, we might say 1:45 or quarter to 2. Excellent. Remember, we can answer both ways. Next one, it is 1:15 or quarter past 1. Excellent, excellent. And the last one, it is 5:15 or 5:15. Excellent, my dear student. So let's go ahead and revise what we have learned in our enrichment activities. We revise how to say the time, how to answer the question, what time is it, or what's the time, please, my dear student. Also, we were able to use the word quarter and half. By using these words, we were able to answer the question, what time is it? So that was my lesson, my dear student. Until I see you next time, stay safe. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.